Hi beauties, welcome back. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Medik8 Total Moisture Daily Facial Cream. I've found my holy grail moisturizer in Medik8's Total Moisture Daily Facial Cream. This product is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve deeply moisturized, plump, and glowing skin. Let me break down why this cream is worth every penny. This cream is a blend of multi-weight hyaluronic acid, prebiotic peptide, ceramides, squalane, and vitamin F is a powerhouse combination. It effectively hydrates the skin, supports the skin barrier, and replenishes moisture, leaving the complexion visibly supple and nourished. I've experienced instant plumping and softening of my skin upon application. It's like a drink of water for my face, providing immediate relief to dryness and dehydration. With continued use, I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's overall health. It feels more resilient, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles is diminished. Plus, the added support for the skin's microbiome ensures a balanced and healthy complexion. Despite its rich moisturizing properties, the cream has a lightweight texture that absorbs effortlessly into the skin. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy, making it perfect for both day and night use. Whether applied in the morning or evening, this cream delivers consistent results. It serves as an excellent base for makeup, ensuring smooth application and prolonged wear. I appreciate that this product is available in a recyclable refill pod, reducing waste and environmental impact. It's a small step towards sustainable skincare practices that I can get behind. Total Moisture Daily Facial Cream has become an indispensable part of my skincare routine. Its potent blend of ingredients, immediate hydration, and long-term benefits make it a must-have for anyone seeking healthy, radiant skin. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to your best skin ever with this incredible moisturizer.